Guide to Become a Data Scientist, Part 1. The demand for data scientists, along with the rage of this discipline in the computing world, makes the newfound love for data science bootcamp justified. SynergisticIT offers 10 pointers to becoming a data scientist. Let's take a look. Number 1. Develop skills in algebra, statistics, and machine learning. Data scientists are amalgamations of statistics and software engineering skills together. One is expected to have the right balance of these skills and have a clear understanding of concepts. Number 2. Learn to love big data. Big data helps in strategic business moves and better decision-making. Developers require making use of big data software like Hadoop, MapReduce, Spark for achieving distributed processing. Number 3. Widen your knowledge of databases. Huge amount of data generated virtually every minute. Most enterprises employ DBMS software such as MySQL or Cassandra to store and analyze data. Number 4. Learn coding. A coder might be a data scientist, but a great data scientist is required to be a good coder. Number 5. Master skill in data mining, visualization, and reporting. Data mining is the process required for converting raw data into a form that is easier to study, analyze, and visualize. Stay tuned for the next part of this video. SynergisticIT, home of the best data scientists and software programmers in the Bay Area. Call 510-550-7200.